Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching Mine Express. In this video we've got this HBN Smart Wi-Fi Powerstrip. It's got surge protection and 3 individual sockets and 1 USB hub, basically 4 sockets of about 4 ampere or something. 4.8 ampere total, so it'll get about 1.5 each, I think, roughly, or 1.2 or something. So yeah, 1.2 I think. So this is basically the box that's arrived as is, and we've got some spec on the side. Rated voltage 240 and rated current 50 Hz. We've got combined USB capacity 4.8, 24 watts, so you could use one perhaps for fast charging, and you've got individual USB. So that's 12 volts, 2.4. It's not fast, but it's good enough. It's not one amp or something. Power cable 1.8 meters, so not really long, but it's not too bad. 1.8 is fair. It's good enough. Output port 4 USBs. Radio protocol is 2.4 gigahertz only, and wireless HBN standards is 802.1 HBN, and some certifications. It's been distributed by Ergo, etc. So it works with Alexa, it works with Google Assistant, it works with HBN Smart app, it also works with Smartlife app, and it's got about 1.8 meter length of the cable. On this side you've got product parameters we've just talked about, so nothing different. And product picture, nothing else otherwise. Some serial information. I'll just quickly open the box and go through the product itself. So there we have it, and it's got a little document as well, instruction manual or something, that talks about how to sort of pair this device to the app and indicator light and how the parameters would work and all that stuff. So it talks about the installation. Really, HBN Smart app is what it says you should use, and getting to know the app, and that does some questions, FAQs and stuff. So warranty 30 days money back guarantee, and it's 15 months of warranty, so more than a year. And some information about contacting HBN. So let's keep to the side. We look at the Smart power cable itself. So 1.8 meters, so fairly long, but not very long. Of course, you'd have to have a power socket, or if it's further away, you have to probably get another connecting cable or daisy chaining stuff going on. You probably don't want that, but I guess every household's got some sort of daisy chaining going on. Yeah, so this is fairly long and looks pretty good. The quality wise, it's quite thick. Okay, so here's the charger, the power socket. It's got this label, safety instructions label. Don't know if it's in English anywhere. Yeah, okay. So danger, electrical cords can be hazardous. So there you have it. The power socket. So you've got this button, the mains button, which will turn things on and off. It's also grounded, and it's also protected. Wi-Fi signal here, ground, Wi-Fi protection. Don't know what that signal probably means, but HBN Smart Surge, 4 USB ports and 3 of these individually controlled granny plugs, or sockets, general sockets with the LED at the top, so you can also use them. And you've got 13 amp protection on each of these, so you can control them individually with the 13 amp surge protection. So if it goes beyond 13 amp, it'll probably just fuse, break the fuse, and you're probably not going to be able to work. But yeah, it's also got a fuse in there, so it's also fused at 13 amps in this plug as well. So quite safe in that sense. At the back, you've got the rating that we've had a read of, and the manufacturer information. Go Iron Co Limited. They are, and I think it's also manufactured in China. I read it on probably the instruction manual. Yeah, so this is what it is. You need to install the HBN app and pair this with that. Turn it on, pair this with the app, and you should be ready to go. I can quickly turn this on. Hopefully the cable's long enough for me to get to my socket. Let's give it a try. Okay, I have now just about connected, and as you can see, there's so the Wi-Fi is like blinking at the moment. It might probably want me to connect to the app and then sort of start to scan Wi-Fi. Don't know if I've got a phone ready for this scan yet. Okay, let's see if we can sort of use the HBN app here. I'm going to have to install the app, so it might take slightly longer. HBN. There's HBN Smart app. So I'm going to quickly install that. And so HBN Smart, Century Products Limited. Okay, okay, I probably need to sign up as well. Right, so I have to add my email. As you can see, it's over here. So you need to register with the country and the email address, and then get verification code and things. So I might probably skip that for now, but as you can tell, the app is pretty straightforward, and once you've connected, you'd have to obviously scan for 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. If you've got a dual band Wi-Fi connection, you have to probably turn off your 5 gigahertz, or just keep this device further away from your Wi-Fi router, so that you just get 2.4 gigahertz, the pure 2.4 gigahertz rather than 5, and then hopefully this should work. It always works for me on my smart devices. So yeah, this is the socket. If you've got any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post them in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.